Hello students, welcome you all to my channel once again. Hope you have watched all the previous videos about carbonyl compounds. So in all the previous videos we have learned how to prepare aldehydes and ketones using various methods. In this video today we will be learning preparation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so before going into today's lesson, I have a small test for you students. Try to answer these questions. Okay, you can test your knowledge on your own. So the first question, note down, how do you prepare the following by the dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids? Okay, so yesterday itself we have learned this method. So how do you prepare the following using dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids? The first compound, benzaldehyde. Okay, so in order to be easy, I have given the formula also here. Benzaldehyde is C6H5 C double bond OH. Next, second compound, acetophenone, C6H5 C double bond O CH3. Next, third one, benzophenone, C6H5 C double bond O C6H5. Okay. Next, coming to second question. Distinguish between formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Just write down their structural formulae. Second one, acetaldehyde and acetone. Third one, butanol and 2-butanone. Okay, write down their structural formulae and notice the difference between the two compounds. Next, third question, acid chlorides when reduced by hydrogen in boiling xylene in the presence of palladium catalyst gave aldehydes. This is called as dash. This is a named reaction. Try to find out the name of this reaction. Okay, so these are the three questions for you to do the small test. Now, going into our lesson, first one, let us see the preparation of aromatic aldehydes, under which we have the first method as oxidation of alkyl benzenes. Do you know any example for these alkyl benzenes? I am writing here CH3 on benzene ring. This is an example of alkyl benzene. Alkyl group is here, methyl group, this is the benzene ring. What is it called as? It is called as toluene. TOLUENE or methyl benzene. This on oxidation with CrO2 Cl2. It is called as chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. These are used as solvents. So this is the oxidizing agent. So on oxidation with CrO2 Cl2, toluene or methyl benzene gets oxidized into C6H5 CHO. This is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, so this reaction also has a name called as Itard's reaction. Itard's reaction is nothing but oxidation of alkyl benzenes with CrO2 Cl2 chromyl chloride in the presence of CS2 or CCl4 forming benzaldehyde. Okay, and the second one is hydrolysis of benzyl chloride. So note down the spellings carefully. Hydrolysis of benzyl chloride. So how do we get benzyl chloride? First, let us see that. So taking again toluene, methylbenzene, this on reaction with two Cl2 molecules, and when these two are heated, what happens? Two HCl molecules come out, resulting in the formation of CHClCl, which is called as benzyl chloride. Okay, this benzyl chloride on hydrolysis, what happens? See, hydrolysis takes place here. The bond breaks up here. H, OH, H, OH. Okay. So what comes out? Minus 2 HCl forming C6H5 CH OH OH. You all know that two OH groups on the single carbon is unstable. So H2O molecule comes out, resulting in the formation of C6H5 CH double bond O, which is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, so these are the two methods for the preparation of aromatic aldehydes. First one is oxidation of alkyl benzenes. Second one is hydrolysis of benzyl chloride. Okay, so next one is preparation of aromatic ketones. Preparation of aromatic ketones. The first method under this is hydrolysis of dichloro diphenyl methane. So try to understand the side heading. Hydrolysis of dichloro, that means two chlorine atoms, diphenyl, two phenyl groups, in methane. Okay. So now, first let us prepare dichloro diphenyl methane. So for this, let us take, what is this? C6H6 benzene plus Cl, C, Cl, Cl, Cl. This is tetrachloromethane. Okay, plus one more benzene. Okay, I am writing the name here. Benzene, two molecules plus tetrachloromethane. So what happens? HCl and HCl comes out as minus 2 HCl. So what remains? C6H5 C Cl Cl C6H5. Okay. So our method is hydrolysis of dichloro diphenyl methane. Look here, dichloro diphenyl methane. I am writing the name here. Dichloro diphenyl methane. Okay. So now this on hydrolysis, taking up two molecules of H2O in the presence of a base. Again what happens? Minus 2 HCl molecules come out, resulting in the formation of C6H5 COH OH C6H5. Again there are two OH groups on the same carbon. So HOH comes out as water molecule minus H2O. So what remains? C6H5 C double bond O C6H5. Its name is benzophenone. This is an aromatic ketone. So it can also be written as C6H5 C double bond O C6H5. Okay. Now, so this is the first method. Second method, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this method you might have learned under benzene. Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So using Friedel-Crafts acylation, we can prepare aromatic ketones. So let us see how. Taking benzene plus CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is called as acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we get C6H5 C double bond O CH3 plus HCl. This is called as acetophenone. Okay. Similarly, one more example, benzene plus C6H5 C double bond O Cl. This is called as benzoyl chloride. Same in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we get C6H5 C double bond O C6H5 plus HCl. This is called as benzophenone. Okay, these are aromatic ketones. Fine. So for the preparation of aromatic ketones, we use two methods: hydrolysis of dichlorodiphenyl methane, and second one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. So today we have learned preparation of aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones. Try to note down each reaction and practice well. So those who are viewing the channel for the first time, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.